Alright, we're going to do a barbecue cold start. Brought out the old barbecue, hasn't been fired up in quite a while. Went to town and got some propane. Hook her up. Because we got steaks to grill. Steaks are good. There we go. So, figured I'd do a barbecue cold start. Why not? We do cold starts to everything else, eh? Now, if only you could smell the steaks once they get cooking. Oh yeah. I'll be right back. We get a match. Alright, I'm back. Matches. There we go. Nice work. This thing's been sitting for a couple years. Fired right up. Awesome. Throw the briquettes back on, let her get all toasty. Get grilling. And we're back. Oh, look at that. Grill extraordinaire. A couple of fat, juicy steaks, some chicken shish kebabs. And to wash it all back, a nice strawberry smoothie. Yeah, it's a girly drink, but you know what? It goes down like Kool-Aid, and I like Kool-Aid. Who doesn't like Kool-Aid? Come on. Awesome. How we doing? Oh, a little crispy. Let's spice these up a little. Tip to barbecuers, don't get cheap tongs. Oh, look at that. You know, it's good when it sticks to the grill. Searing in the flavor. I'm really making a cock of this. There we go, that's a bit better. Getting close to ready. Alright, we'll be back shortly. Looks pretty done to me. What do y'all think? Oh yeah, let's eat. Tender morsel. Must not go to waste. Oh, it went to waste. Oh well. More flavor for next time. Isn't that sweet? Huh? Can you just taste that? Oh yeah. Gotta love it. Crank the heat. Let her burn clean.